Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my YouTube channel for receiving my upcoming updates on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this thoroughly, to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. So let's start the day to analyze the movement of natural gas futures in different time frames on January 15, 2019. Friends, first of all, I would like to explain the levels which I defined in my last analysis. The natural gas futures started to move upward and touch this level, and here you can see after touching the levels of $3.719, natural gas futures have entered in this second uptrend zone where I was expecting a selling inside this zone when we will enter first of all, and as you can see that today we witnessed a heavy selling from this level which brought the natural gas futures back up to the edge of this second uptrend line of our first uptrend zone, this one which I marked in this chart. Here now you can see that natural gas have taken a good support at this uptrend line. Let me zoom it for you. Friends, this is a daily chart. So one candle describe the movements of natural gas futures in a day. So on 15th, here you can see that after touching the highest levels of the day, natural gas futures moved downward up to the level of $3.453, from where you can see a good buying from the level of $3.543, and since then natural gas futures are back on the upward journey, and no doubt that below this uptrend line there is a thick presence of buyer. So I find the uptrend of natural gas futures is still intact till it able to sustain above the level of $3.547. I find we will see a sharp recovery in natural gas futures once we enter in this zone and we make a sustainable move above the level of $3.712. We will see a good recovery in natural gas futures prices because the natural gas futures prices are still maintaining an uptrend above this uptrend line. Friends, this is my expected trading zones which I have constructed for mapping the moves of natural gas futures in a daily chart during the year 2019, and I find it a perfect chart to map the move or to map the resistance and support levels for natural gas futures. As here you can see that in a daily chart the natural gas futures have found good buying below this uptrend line, and there is no doubt that once again the natural gas futures will try to enter in this uptrend zone on January 16th, and I find once we see a sustainable move above the level of $3.727, we will see a sharp reversal of natural gas futures up to the levels of $4.032. Friends, here I have marked some support and resistance levels in a daily chart. This is my first support level which we have already crossed yesterday, and now you can see that we are heading towards the second resistance, our immediate resistance at the level of $3.985. Here I find the first resistance during an upward move. Once we sustain above the level of $3.713, we will see a sharp upward move up to this level where we will face our second resistance at the level of $3.981. Once we sustain above the level of $3.988, no doubt that we will try to move towards the level of $4.444 before the announcement of upcoming inventory during this week. So first let us zoom out this chart. Now I would like to show you this chart pattern in an early zone. Here you can see how the natural gas futures have taken good support at this first support level, which is at $3.43. 1.36, and after touching this first support level, we can see a good recovery in natural gas futures in an hourly chart, because in an hourly chart natural gas futures have already formed a golden cross. Here you can see that the 20 days moving average and the 20 days exponential moving average along with other moving averages have crossed 200 days moving average in an hourly chart, which provides good strength to natural gas bulls to remain above this first resistance level in case of a downward move. Some of my viewers today asked me about my expectations for the reversal, from where we can see a reversal. So I would like to say that this resistance, which have turned into a good support now, which is currently at the level of $3.437, no doubt that the natural gas futures will try to sustain above this uptrend line till the announcement of natural gas inventory, and no doubt we can move above the levels of $3.748 during the second round of bullish move on January 16, 2019. Friends, be ready for an action in natural gas futures on January 16. So I find natural gas futures will try to sustain amid this zone, which I have marked in green color. I find that within next few hours we will see the 20 days exponential moving average will once again be able to cross the 20 days moving average before the closing on January 15th. I find that the natural gas futures will try to take a good reversal from the current levels, and no doubt that we will able to cross in a positive territory before the closing. So friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this channel with your more and more friends. Thank you.